Hello, my name is Dr. Kenneth Pakman, and I'm a general dentist in Hatboro, Pennsylvania. I'd like to take a few minutes to discuss some of the most frequently asked questions I have from my patients, and questions that you may have wanted to ask your own dentist. One of the questions that we do get from patients is, how safe am I from infection in the dental office? And I think it's a great question to ask. With today's society, with diseases that are very, very prevalent, resistant strains of bacteria, and just the general fear of contracting an infection, I think it's a very valid question. In my dental office, and in most dental offices across the country, the major form of sterilization for dental instruments that are used in the mouth is steam sterilization. This is the same sterilization that surgical or hospital instruments are used. This technique involves placing the instruments wrapped in a pack under pressure and steam sterilization for a period of time. In addition to steam sterilization, instruments are also treated with an ultrasonic solution prior to going into the steam sterilization, which is just another method of removing and destroying all bacteria. In between patients, all surfaces that are touched in the operatory and the treatment room are wiped down by germicidal solutions to kill germs. Any instrument that is not steam sterilized is disposable. We have many, many disposable instruments and things that we use in dentistry so that there's never any chain of infection from one patient to another. The other thing that we do is we take personal precautions ourselves as the practitioners. You will see that in most dental offices, the general dentist, the hygienist, and the assistants are all wearing surgical gloves as well as masks and eye protection. Much of this is for our own safety. However, the added benefit of the patient is it prevents cross-contamination between patients. We're always changing our gloves, washing our hands in between, changing our masks, and if a surgical procedure is done, surgical gowns are worn over our scrubs, which is what I generally wear in my office. In addition to having cleaning services and disposal services where any kind of hazardous waste is removed on a daily basis, this is a general practice that happens in the dental office. So basically, the fears of infection should be minimized as much as possible because, as I said, everything is steam sterilized or disposed so that there is no chain of infection. I hope this answers that question, and if you have a question about infection or sterilization procedures in your dentist's office, please feel free to ask your general dentist. If you'd like to contact me, please do so by contacting my website or the phone number listed below this picture. Thank you, and take care.